Hello everyone, I'm Zozo. I will show you how to delete and change the background of a photo we took at home or outside. Apps can be used for this, but we will do it with the site remove.bg. When we enter the site, a screen like this appears. As you see, we click the upload picture button and select the photo we want from our gallery. In a short time, the photo is uploaded to the site and the background of the photo is removed. Here we see two download options. There are two different download options in size. Don't mind that one is a paid download and the other is a free download. We will download and use it in free size. The quality of the photo does not deteriorate when you share it as a story or post on Instagram and other platforms. And as you can see, the original version of the photo and the background removed. Now we click on the edit button as you can see, and as you can see, the background of our photo appears blank. There are backgrounds that remove.bg offers us for free, but let's say we didn't like any of them, then click on select photo and select the photo we want. After choosing the plan with the arc we want, we click on the download option in the upper right and the photo is downloaded to our gallery.